Hey babes, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. So today's video is kind of unlike me. I love the fact that I, at least in my opinion, look like a complete different person. I am fake tan, as you guys can see. My hair is a little bit different, and I just love the fact that with makeup and just beauty stuff, I can look so different. It's so much fun. And also this makeup look is actually inspired by, one second, Beauty Soup. This is the makeup look that I was inspired by, and I think that hers is a lot cuter, but I really like it still. So yeah, if you would like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. First of all, we are going to prime our face with the 3-in-1 Hangover Primer Spray from Too Faced. So I'm gonna... If you think that I look a little bit patchy on my face or on my body, it's because I actually have developing tan, fake tan on my skin at the moment. But I really need to film today, so here we go. So for foundation, as I don't really know what kind of shade I am, I will try and go in with the Too Faced Peach Perfect in Nude. I got the wrong shade before, so that is why I have this one. But I think that it could match me. I'll go in with a foundation brush. Looks fine, right? So today I am actually in a few hours going to go to my sister's place, and I'm gonna babysit the dog Balder, as you guys have seen in my vlogs and also the Forever Against Animal Testing campaign video I did with him. And I'm gonna take care of him now for 2 days while my sister and her partner are away for like a mini vacation. So I'm gonna stay at their place, so that is why I need to film today, because I won't be home for 2 days. So I'm gonna take that time to just edit a lot, so I will try and film at least 2 videos today before I go. I love this foundation. It just looks so flawless. Oh my god, I love it. For concealer, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. concealer in Fair. By the way, I'm so sorry if you hear like voices or sounds outside, because it's so hot. It is like 30 degrees today, and it's so warm, like with my lamps and stuff like that, so I need my window to be open. So excuse that. I actually really like this concealer. I'm not really sure if I want a lighter one though. Why I don't use this so much is because this is the lightest shade, and I mean, you guys know how pale I usually am. I use a little bit there. I've had like a pimple here for, I kid you not, like a month. Okay, I 100% need another concealer because this did not lighten at all. Just to highlight, I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm not going to use a lot of it. I just want to lighten. I don't need to conceal anything. So I'm just gonna do it quite lightly. I'm also going to take this on my lid because I want my lid to be fully covered today for this makeup look. For a blank canvas, so to say. I will go in with some Nabla translucent powder. This is my favorite powder at the moment. Oops. And I'm gonna use this mostly underneath my eyes. I'm just gonna set the concealer pretty much, because this foundation actually doesn't really need to be set. It looks gorgeous either way and lasts really, really nicely. I'm gonna use a little bit on my nose as well. As you guys know, I never really bake, but I'm just gonna put some underneath my eyes just to change it up a little bit. This powder is actually for baking, so hopefully this will look good. Oh my god, this is so weird. I never bake. While this is baking on my face, I'm gonna go in with brows. And this is the the brow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills in Auburn. And I'm just quickly going to fill in my brows. Okay, I don't know why, but this brow took like fucking 15 minutes. And I'm still not really happy with it. But that will have to do. Whew, okay, I don't know what to tell you. I hate my brows today. I don't know why. They just look horrible, but whatever. I'm gonna go in with some brow gel, also in the shade Auburn, also from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we'll just hope that these brows look better when I have a full face of makeup on, because right now... And now we are going to remove this baking. I do look very, very flawless. To contour, I will go in with the shade Cigar from the Infinity palette from Linda Hallberg Cosmetics. And I'm just lightly going to chisel out my cheekbone. And to blend out the contour a little bit and also the bronze, I'm gonna go in with the shade Swicky. And this nose contour will be blended. Don't you guys worry. And for blush, I will once again go in with the Linda Hallberg Fantastic, but this is in the shade Pink Opal. I've been loving it now for summer because I think it gives a really nice, like, healthy summer shine. And for highlight, I'm gonna go in with two different products, but from the same collection. It is from the Smashbox X Vlada. So it is these shimmer drops that I'm just gonna shake a little bit. And then this highlighter. So I'm just gonna start off with the shimmering drops. And now for the beautiful highlight. Okay, it's very, very pink. Whoopsie doopsie. Okay, like almost a little bit too pink, perhaps. A little pink nose have never hurt nobody. Just a little bit there and here. Lastly, for my base, I'm just gonna finish off with the spray again. It is finally time for the eyes, which is the main thing about this video, obviously. And just to make everything pop a lot, I am actually going to go in with the Pro Filter eye primer from Fenty Beauty. I never use eye primer. I used to always use it, but now I just feel like it's a annoying step. But just for this video and to make everything pop as much as possible, I'm gonna use this all over my lid and I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. Just to make it as smooth as possible with the blending, I'm gonna go in with some of the loose powder that we used before. And now to start with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with two different eyeshadow palettes. It is the Sugar Pill. This is just a magnetic palette with a lot of the Sugar Pill shadows. I love these ones, and I think that the most of them that I will be using is this purple one and this super white one, perhaps the yellow, but I think that I will mostly go in with this new palette that I've never used before. I love the look of it. It is from Ofra and it is the Pro palette, I guess. Nope, just kidding. It's the eyeshadow palette in Bright Addiction. Addiction. This is how it looks. Oh my god, I haven't even taken this off. Whoops. So this is the palette that I will be using the most. I love the look of it. I've not tried it at all, so we'll see if it's good pigment. So first of all, I will go in with this purple shade in my crease and create a transition color. Okay, for some reason it is very hard to blend, but it might be what I have underneath, I think. And now with a tiny little fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with the purple shade, and I'm just going to pretty much deepen the crease and also outer and inner corner. And I will also take this underneath my eyes. A little tip to clean up the middle lid. I'm gonna take a Q-tip and a wipe of some sort And I'm just gonna remove a little bit of it. And I'm gonna try and make it go right above my natural crease. Then I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade in the outer and inner corner. I'm gonna leave like the middle bare so I can put some white there, but pretty much the lid will be yellow. Okay, I will 100% need to wet my brush for this. You know what, just kidding, I'm gonna use the Sugar Pill yellow shade instead because I just watched them on my hand and they are so much more pigmented. Yeah, Sugar Pill has really good shadows. See if I go in with the yellow again because for some reason it didn't really want to stick. But I will go in with this matte white shade and I will use it in the inner corner and also on the middle of the lid and underneath my brow, of course. Why is this super pigmented? And for some reason the yellow didn't want to stick. So annoying. Okay, I'm actually not the happiest with this middle shade. The yellow and the white. I probably should have gone with it first and then do the purple, but that is not something that I can fix right now. If you recreate this, start with the middle shade and then do the purple. I'm gonna go in with a even smaller brush and I'm just gonna take a little bit of the black and just darken the inner and outer corner. In my waterline, I'm going in with a white eyeliner. For eyeliner, I am gonna go in with this black one from Eden Minerals in liquid eye pen on my top lid. And then on my bottom lid, I will create just a tiny little fake waterline kind of in the inner corner with the white one from Kat Von D. It's the ink liner in Neruda. And then, as always, this month, the Cocoa Lashes from Rouge and Rogue. It's almost a joke now because I use it in every video, but I'm gonna use those, and then I'm gonna use the new Eden Waterproof Long Wearing Mascara. There we go, the eyes are completely done, and now it's only time for lipstick. And this is Cashmere. It is really, really nice, but I'm feeling a more warm tone one. So I think I'm gonna go in with this one, and that is Marshmallow. It is so cute. Or is this too warm toned? Okay, now I use Cashmere. Is that better? Oh my god, why is this so hard? Maybe this was cooler with the eyes. I don't know.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new, let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head, when the world is on your shoulders.
Alright, so this is the finished look, and even though it was kind of a struggle with the eyeshadow, I love the final look. And I think that it looks really, really cool with my hair and my fake tan, just because it's so unlike me, and it's not like I look like someone that I've never looked like before. Is that weird to say? What I mean is that I've never looked like this ever before, and I love that. Doing makeup looks that make me look like another person. I think that is so cool to do. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you recreate any of my looks, please tag me on Instagram or wherever you post them. I love when I see your recreations. It is so cool. Other than that, please subscribe, like this video, click the bell, all of that. And I hope you will have an amazing day, and I hope that we will see each other in the next video. Bye guys!